quick tutorial about how to be able to simulate this type of movement in Keyshot. The first thing you need to do is actually go in and select your entire model that you want to move around, and then make sure you have it in the optimal starting position, which means that you have to go in and figure out how you want this flashlight in this example to fall down on the ground plane that I have created. This can actually take a little bit of time, but it's worth making the effort to find a good starting position. Once you're done, you're ready to go into the simulation. And in this case, you actually open up the geometry. No, you go into the tools, and then you pick simulation here, physics simulation, and then you have to sort of make sure that you have the part selected over here on the right, and all the parts that you want to simulate, basically that you want it to fall down. And then you go over to the other side here, where you can make sure you have a maximum time, and I set it to 5 seconds. And then the simulation quality is, I've set it normally to quite high, can go up to 1, but I put it to 0.6 on this one. And then the gravity, you can simulate a real gravity, or you can make it sort of fall slower if you turn the gravity down. And that's basically, then you can also change the friction of the parts. And then basically just hit the simulate button, it will calculate, and then you can see the result here. And that's about it. Then you can go in and back into your scene, and you can try and run the simulation or this sort of animation. And if you're not happy with it, you can actually go in and sort of redo it again, delete it, and then redo it, sort of changing again the position of how you want it, where you want it to drop from the starting point. And then once you're sort of happy with that, and again, like you can see here, I didn't actually select the whole thing, so I need to do that. And when that is done, you can go in and simulate it once more, and it will have a different effect and different output. So thanks for watching. Take care.